Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabrielle, and today we're going to be using the one, the only, NARS Wanted 2 palette. So the NARS Wanted 2 palette is actually the only palette I use today. So I start off with a light brown shade in the palette, and I put that right on my outer crease. Next, I go in with the darker brown shade and just put that right below what we just applied, but just above the crease. I take a clean brush and blend the two colors together so we have a more seamless look. Next, we go in with this shimmery brown color, I guess we could say, and then I blend that directly into the crease, and then take a clean brush again and blend all those colors together. Next, I go into this deep dark brown shade, almost black, just to make it a little bit more dark for me. I am just going out to dinner with my mom, so I'm not trying to get too crazy, but if you like, you can definitely add more black, and if like you're going to the club, it would be a really good addition to this look. Next, I go and I cut my crease using the Master Conceal Concealer by Maybelline. Next, I dip into this gold shimmer shade and put that directly onto my lid. Last but not least, for this eyelid, there's this beautiful golden, it's like glitter, and you just apply that right onto your lid, and I mean, just look at that. This palette is to die for, but guess what, bitch? It's limited edition. Next, I prime my face with the e.l.f. Face Tone Adjusting Primer, and then for foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me, but the only reason why I really fuck with this foundation is because it has SPF in it. And we all know we need a little bit of SPF. No shade, Maybelline, I still love you. But for our concealer, we do use the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer as we did for our cut crease. And I put that on my nose, under eyes, forehead, and chin. I finally figured out the shade that this NYX Full Coverage Concealer is in, and it is Deep Golden. Deep Golden is the shade I use to contour my face. Next, I go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray, and I just blend everything in. To set my face, I use the Marcel face powder, and I just apply that right on my under eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. And as usual, I go into my Sweet Peach palette, and I use this gorgeous pink shade, and I use it as my blush. Once we've let the powder sit for a minute, just use a big fluffy brush and just blend out all the powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Sandcastles highlighter and my Molten Gold Maybelline highlighter and apply that on my brow bone, and then just apply more facial spray, and then add the highlight on my cheeks. Once all the highlighter is applied, I like to go back through and just buff it out. And for the millionth time, we're going to go back in with that facial spray and just spray ourselves, and we're done. Hello, look at that. I mean, she's golden, she's glowy, she's giving you I can do day and night. Like, this palette really is a NARS dream. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you guys so much for your support. Bye.